What's good, PB gang? It's your boy Poppy Blasted, aka Rope God. Rope God. Rope God. Yeah. And today I'm coming at y'all with a highly requested video, of course. I've been hearing this all the time, man, because I haven't did one of these videos actually in a minute. And I normally used to do this a lot, you feel me? So this video right here is the brush with me, okay? The brush with me. And how pretty much how my brush with me videos go is it's raw and uncut, man. Raw and uncut, how y'all like it. You know what I'm saying? No scripting, no nothing. Well, all my videos is no scripted. You know what I'm saying? I pretty much come off the dome. But what I mean by no scripted is, and raw and uncut is, we gonna just grab the brush, you feel me? And I'm gonna tell you guys, y'all pick up y'all brush, y'all can brush with me. And we gonna get a full brush session in, you know what I'm saying? From start to finish. We gonna rag up, we gonna plastic bag, we gonna do all that, okay? So this is how I get my brush sessions in, all right? And what the brush we using is, y'all see right now, man. Let's keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
All right, PB gang. So, man, the brush we using right now is the Best Wave brush. The Best Wave brush, man. This brush actually, man, dropped like about 2 years ago. And it was kind of rare to find, you know what I'm saying? People were selling them on the wave pages and all that. And yeah, that's how I got this one. But smell good still, you feel me? It's soft, man. This brush right here is real soft, like softer than the A169 OG. It's real soft. You guys know, you know what I'm saying? Some of you guys who got this brush already know it's softer than the A169 brush, Diane brush. You know what I'm saying? And I'm about to go in with this because pretty much in the mornings, I don't really, I'm gonna do a morning method for y'all so I can show you guys exactly what I do in the morning. So we ain't gonna talk about that. But yeah, let's get it, man. So I want y'all to pull out y'all brushes right now, man. I want y'all to get hyped, man. Let's get it right now, PB gang. Pull out y'all brush. It don't have to be this brush. It could be any brush. Pull it out right now and we're gonna brush together. We're gonna get this session in together, man. Let's go. Let's go. We ain't gonna have no music going or nothing. Man, I hate when my do-rag leave a line. I'm back. Man, I'm finna, hold on. I'm about to brush this out real fast, bro. Hate that, man. Do-rag line, bro. You know what I'm saying? All right, we get that out the way. Just had to use a harder brush to make that line disappear, brush it out, you feel me? So we good now. All right, so that's how we gonna do it. Oh yeah, this is how I'm looking too as well. You know, tomorrow, I think, when's wash day? Wash day is a Wednesday. Wednesday also will be a whole week since I got the shape up. And y'all can see my shape up is still good. And y'all can see there's no extra hairs growing over my hairline, okay? Which means that my hairline is where my natural hairline is at. You feel me? A lot of you guys are saying like on the oh yeah, man, cause a lot of you guys was talking shit, man. Y'all saying like, Poppy Blasted, man, he pushed your hairline back. Oh, he pushed that. No, bro, if it's pushed my hairline back, you'd better see extra hairs coming out, growing. My hairline is not pushed back. This is where my natural hairline is at. You know what I'm saying? What I had them do is, like y'all saw, I already showed you guys. Y'all used to, okay, this is what it is. You guys are used to Poppy Blasted getting a, we recording? Okay, make sure we still recording. You guys are used to Poppy Blasted getting my hair being extra long and me never cutting down, you know what I'm saying, the extra excess hair that's right here. Trimming it down. Y'all used to seeing that. Y'all used to seeing it just me getting a straight line up without doing that. That's what it is. This is where my natural hairline is at right here. Normally it'd be right down here. That's why y'all noticed before it was a tan right there. It's because my hair always is over my hairline. He lines it up from there. This one right here is actually where my natural hairline is at. So yeah, I had to really clear that shit up because y'all kept saying, oh man, you put your hairline. No, he didn't, my nigga. No, he didn't. But anyways, man, pull out your brush. Let's go, bro. Pull out your brush and brush with me. We get in the back first. You already know, man. Y'all know I don't count my brush strokes. We'll just go in until we feel like the back got that work first. You know what I'm saying? Each side, I don't count my brush strokes. We just go, keep going until we feel like that side got that work the most. You know what I'm saying? Give it that work, and go straight to the next angle. You know what I'm saying? I know what it is. All right, brand new. You feel me? Also, shout out to all my new subscribers, man. The new ones that tuned in, that subscribed to my channel and trusting the process. You know what I'm saying? Watching my stuff, you know what I'm saying? Trusting the process, trusting the methods that I'm doing, everything. I appreciate y'all, man. Salute. Shout out to my OG subscribers as well. And shout out to the subscribers that been subscribed for like, you know, a year or so. Oh, if you a year and so, you're pretty much an OG. But shout out to the ones that's like 6 months. You know what I'm saying? 6 months in, subscribed. You feel me? Let's get it, man. Brush it. We brush it. Hit this angle right here. Also, man, you know, I want you guys to precision brush. Like you see, I'm brushing fast, but the only reason why I'm brushing fast is because, you know, I don't want the video to be extra hella long. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm brushing my regular brush session, I'll be brushing like this. You know what I'm saying? Hit that angle like that, boom. And then I'll come right here, do this. But I know my angle's real good. You know, I could brush without a mirror if I really wanted to. Feel me? As y'all can see too, man, my right side getting better. It's starting to straighten out. Remember, it was real crooked at first. The ones who really watch me know. A lot of y'all like, oh man, you lost a lot of progress. You just now noticing that? I did a video on that, bro, showing y'all how I lost progress and why I lost progress. You feel me? And y'all still saying it. I'm like, bro, did you not see that video? Yeah, I know I lost progress, fool. You know what I'm saying? But we getting right though, so it's nothing. It's nothing. We gonna get right. You know what I'm saying? Nothing but brush your hair more, that's it. Brush your hair more, they gonna get back right. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all to comment below right now what brush y'all using though. Comment below right now. Let me know what brush y'all brushing with. If y'all brushing with me. I'm sure y'all brushing with me. You know what I'm saying? Let me see what brush y'all using. I would like to know. I know this softy feeling good right now though. Woo. Man. I'm telling y'all, bro. Love this brush. Yeah. Top getting that work. Hit this angle right here. You know what I'm saying? Hit that angle. When I hit this angle right here, I just stay like this. I don't hit it with my left hand. I don't know. I just feel more comfortable just boom, come right here like that. Giving it that work. Sometimes I just use one hand on all angles. To be honest with you, like right here, sometimes I'll just do this. But you gotta be swift though. You know what I'm saying? Use one hand the whole time. Or you could do it like this, like I'll show y'all. Well, either way, it's getting that work. It don't really matter, it's still hitting that same angle, you feel me? Same angle, different stroke. That back right there. Shout out to the ones who's brushing with me right now though, man. Real talk. I'm glad y'all brushing with me because I be bored brushing by myself. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm really brushing with y'all, bro. I'm hype. It's like we're going live right now, you feel me? That's why I like these brush with me's. A lot of y'all kept saying, man, bro, probably blasted, man. You won't never do brush with me's no more. What's up? Here we go. We got it. We're brushing together. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. It's motivation. Now let's motivate y'all. Pick up that brush. That's all I'm trying to do. Motivate y'all to pick up that brush. Because at the end of the day, the brush is what's going to get your waves popping. Feel me? The brush is what's going to get your waves popping, roping, dipping, elite, connections. It's playing, bro. Yeah, man, real talk though. It is gonna get you right though. Brushing. Products, real products, it's going to enhance. It's going to really enhance your waves, make them look nice. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all think products is gonna make your waves. It's gonna give you waves. Products is not gonna give you waves. Products is gonna enhance your waves, which is gonna make them look more healthier, shiny. You know, make your waves pop more. I ain't gonna say a lot of y'all, but Murray's, as a beginner, that's the only product that I feel like gives you waves to a certain extent. You gotta still brush. You can't just put it in your hair and not brush though. But you know, being that it's thick and stuff, it's helping you get waves on everything. Murray's. But at the end of the day, like I always say, brushing is what's gonna get you waves. Using this shit, okay? That's what we doing. Yep. So I'm pretty much done with the brushing. Now I'm about to pull out that plastic bag. Hit him with that plastic bag. But y'all know before I do that, I gotta do this. I hope my microphone don't die either, man. I see it right there blinking. I'm gonna keep watching. If it die though, I'll plug in my other microphone. I'll just stop the video. That'll be my only edit if it do die. So if I see like some little type of edit, that's because it died. But we gonna still do it. We ain't gonna let that microphone stop our flow. You feel me? Real talk. So yeah, you always want to use your hands afterwards. That's what I do. Just kind of like to get it ready. Just to lay it down a little bit. Get it ready. Then you pull out that plastic. Boom. Pull out that thing. I never miss a session without using this, bro. This is like my brush too. Also, like I always tell y'all too, you use the plastic bag, make sure you use it longer than like you use it longer than 10 minutes, okay? Like 15 minutes. I ain't gonna plastic bag for that long right now because for the sake of the video, y'all know. Don't want it to be extra long like that, but normally, I promise y'all, I would use this plastic bag for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Like I say, the more you plastic bag, the longer you plastic bag, the more your waves gonna be laid. The less you plastic bag, the less your waves gonna be laid. It's just like brushing. The more you brush, the faster your waves gonna come, the more you're gonna progress. The less you brush, the less you're gonna progress. The slower you're gonna progress. You feel me? You gotta put in that work you gotta put in that work if you wanna become a elite waver, bro. These waves ain't gonna just get handed to you. I can't say, here you go, bro, you can have my waves. It's not gonna happen. Money can't buy you waves either. It's not gonna happen. That brush is gonna get you waves. Feel me? That's what's gonna get you waves. I don't care how much money you got. No celebrity could buy their waves. They could buy a kit. At the end of the day, if you ain't brushing, then the connections ain't gonna be on point. You're gonna have ripples. So you cannot buy waves. This is something money can't buy. You can't cheat this. Gotta put in that work. Feel me? Put in that work. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This side coming in too better. I'm telling you, I've been brushing, bro. I'm telling y'all. I know y'all know this too. I'm brushing, dog. For real. Yep. After I'm done with this, if you're done with that, You wanna rag up. Rag up. Yes, sir. Let's rag up real fast. You wanna rag up real fast though. Catch that lay. If you don't catch that lay down, it pretty much would be pointless. It would have been a pointless session. Pointless plastic bag session. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole point of you plastic bagging along, so that you can get that good lay down. So as soon as you get done with that plastic bag session, you gotta go real fast and get your do-rag. Put it on fast. Don't go in there and go drink a glass of milk, or go outside and chill for a little bit or whatever. Nah, bro. Rag up first before you do that. Alright? Rag up first before you do that. Yeah, man. This is my old ass So Many Wave do-rag. I tend to go back to my old shit from time to time. I like the old ones because it's like the OG. The OG So Many Wave rags was silkier, if y'all didn't know. But yeah, man, that's it for the video, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys enjoyed this brush with me. You know, next time I'll get a full session. Like, this is a full session though, but it's only one brush. Next time I'll use all 3 brushes, bro. And also I'm gonna be coming out with a morning method, because you guys recommended that too. Y'all know, man, I do this shit for y'all, so whatever y'all want, I'm giving it to y'all. So a lot of you guys recommended it, I'm gonna give it to y'all, you feel me? That's it. It is what it is, man. But with that being said, man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Like the video. If you're new tuning into the channel, please subscribe to the channel, man. Join the family, join the gang. Make sure that you also join the notification gang by clicking that bell, so you will not miss out on none of my videos that I drop. Also, for the ones who, you know, that's subscribed already, make sure that the bell is highlighted, please. You know what I'm saying? I see a lot of you guys comment like, man, I missed the video. I didn't see this. I didn't get a notification. You got to join notification gang. So make sure right now, everybody, please check right now at the subscribe by the subscribe button, that little bell. Make sure that is highlighted, okay? That's how you join the notification gang, so you will not miss out on none of my videos that I drop, okay? But with that being said, man, thanks for watching. Thanks for brushing with me. If you couldn't get it in right now, get it in later. You feel me? This should motivate y'all, man, to pull that brush out and brush, man, to get y'all waves popping. That's what I do this shit for. I don't do it for nothing. All right? Thank you. Salute.